dog, Northern Sound is real. Northern Sound describes stories that you all feel. Keep the skill level cause the Northern Sound rolls with the hottest intention. Northern Sound won't fold. Keeping it proud, spit and go, we gonna run with the game and a palm while the rest stand stunned. And now Boston's on the map again. The Red Sox and the Pats and these three rapid friends.
Hey yo, this ain't the same hypocritical hip-hop. Hit your heart on the track as fast as you skip rocks. Other acts out of time like a broken wrist. While exposed to the sound, you know that we flip blocks upside down and then right side up. Put your pens and pencils down cause your timing is up. You didn't pass the test, you're never gonna graduate. Shot like don't need 16 cause I had you with 8.
I hear the people saying that music is changing. Just the usual suspects, the usual suspects. Bringing up our states in the weigh-in, but it's just the usual suspects, the usual suspects. Cooped up in the booth for days and but it's just the usual suspects, the usual suspects. Do you understand the words that we're saying? But it's just the usual suspects, the usual suspects. Me, I'm not only a smooth criminal, I'll beat your ass subliminal. I pulled out the middle of the flow just to keep it literal. I love hip-hop, this is the new era. I stand here to cheer the way for these new cats whose only dream was to succeed at this rap. So in my head I trap these minds and mold them into new acts. The scenes generated from competition contemplated. I've stayed in my team, so you already know that we don't gotta blow gats, instead we flow tracks. Exonerated and transform these thoughts into facts. I don't mac a crowd, I make them stand proud. In my hood's real run down, but I'm still posted on this ground. I'm moving on clockwork, so stick with your light speed. The Northern Sound is the only thing that our mics need. So if you build it, they will come. You better watch out, cause I'm feeling a cold front. I hear the people saying that music is changing. Just the usual suspects, the usual suspects. Bringing up our states in the weigh-in, but it's just the usual suspects, the usual suspects. Cooped up in the booth for days and but it's just the usual suspects, the usual suspects. Do you understand the words that we're saying? But it's just the usual suspects, the usual suspects.
I'm an intellectual spectacle that creeps like sharks with 7 fins. I'm highly undetectable. People think they can run the music biz, but the truth is, kids, Northern Sound's the one that erected them with discretional infections. Not even the strongest sedative can't prevent the engine. In any event, I need a medic, cause I open your brain wider. I just don't paint pictures, I show different shades of fire.
Yo, I pledge my allegiance for the right reason, to breathe a new era of hip-hop. Believing in something new. Some cats from the bitter cold subarctic temps come from the lungs we hold this new day. What we say, this ain't a cliche, cause we ain't down with the he say or she say. So please take a moment from your life to move your head from your hands with your brainstem soothing.